Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We have something brand new, something that you guys are gonna be super excited about. What is it? It's our newest ceramic HydroSpeed. HydroSpeed is a true ceramic spray detailer formulated with SiO2 to deliver a crystal-like superior shine, incredible reflective finish, and incredible hydrophobic properties. So we've taken everything that you guys know and love about quick detailers and we've infused it with the power of SiO2. HydroSpeed is a perfect product to maintain the beautiful shine and protection on your ride. So if you have an existing ceramic coating, such as if you have HydroCharge or HydroSlick, HydroSpeed is going to be that product that you want to go ahead and use to maintain the beautiful ceramic finish and the durable protection layer of your ceramic coating. So this pairs well with any kind of existing coating, such as any kind of waxes, sealants, glazes, and even ceramic coatings themselves. It also works out amazing if your vehicle is uncoated. Use it as a standalone product or as a maintenance to any kind of existing coating, such as your HydroCharge or HydroSlick. HydroSpeed uses advanced hydrophobic polymers and SiO2 infused chemistry to help guard against surface oxidation, harmful UV rays, stains, water spots, and much more. Surfaces treated with HydroSpeed help shed contaminants much easier, while advanced self-cleaning properties boost your shine and existing wax, sealant, or any kind of protective coatings that you have on your paint. And the most awesome thing about HydroSpeed is that it works on virtually all of your exterior surfaces, and it's as easy to use as any traditional quick detailer. Let me show you guys how. All right guys, so before we get started, I do want to mention that in order to use a product like HydroSpeed, we highly recommend that you work in a shaded environment. So you can work in a garage, under a tarp, any of those things, as long as the surface is cool to the touch. The first thing that you want to do before you use HydroSpeed is give it a good shake, just to make sure that the formula mixes in well together. To use HydroSpeed, you would use it just like any traditional quick detail spray. All you want to do is spray a light little layer onto the surface that you're working on. I'm going to spray onto this fender here. 4 sprays, that's more than enough. I'm going to go ahead and set that down in my pocket here. Grab my nice, soft, and plush microfiber towel and simply wipe in single motions. You want to make sure to wipe in straight motions to prevent any kind of scratching or swirling. If anything gets caught on your towel, you want to ensure that you're not mimicking a circular motion, which can lead to a swirl mark. Now, once you wipe that first initial wipe, you can flip it around to the dry side of your microfiber towel and just come back and buff off any excess and or any leftover grime that you may have missed. And just like that, super easy, super simple. HydroSpeed works out amazing on virtually all of your exterior surfaces. So I showed you guys how to use it on paint, but you can also use it on a variety of things such as your headlights, your tail lights, your glass, your wheels, chrome, metal, and much more. HydroSpeed is a perfect product to maintain your coat of HydroCharge or HydroSlick. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you already have a protective coating, this is going to work out great to maintain the beautiful ceramic shine and durable protection that your coating has to offer. And if you're using it on a non-coated car, you can still use it and achieve tremendous results. Now, one thing I do want to emphasize is that if your car happens to be more on the dirty side, then we recommend going with a more traditional wash method, such as washing your car or using a waterless wash. HydroSpeed is meant for that light cleaning. You have some time on your hands, you want to clean up that light layer of dust, debris, maybe someone got all touchy with their car and has a bunch of fingerprints on there. You can use HydroSpeed to quickly clean those things up, whilst also adding a nice layer of SiO2 shine and protection. And there you have it guys, it's that easy to apply HydroSpeed. It's the perfect product to add to your ceramic lineup. Use HydroSlick and HydroCharge to get that durable, long-lasting ceramic shine and durable protection, and use HydroSpeed to give your existing coatings a boost of shine and protection in between washes. If you guys want to pick up your bottle of HydroSpeed today, make sure to visit our website or your local detail garage location. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and we'll see you guys next time.